In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wavy text in Affinity Photo. This simple effect adds motion and personality to titles, headers, and posters, and it only takes a few steps to pull off cleanly. First, start by typing your text in Affinity Photo. Add it to your canvas so it appears as a text layer in your Layers panel. Take a moment to choose a font and size that suits your design, because the next step will convert it from editable text to pixels. Double-check spelling and spacing now, since you won't be able to edit the characters once the text is converted. Next, right-click the text layer in the Layers panel and choose Rasterize. Rasterizing turns the text into a regular pixel layer. That's important because the effect we're about to apply works by physically pushing pixels around. Just remember, after rasterizing, you can still transform and style the layer, but you can't change the wording or the font. If you need to make changes later, it's best to do them before this step. Now, go to the top menu and choose Filters, then Liquify. This opens the Liquify workspace, where you can warp and sculpt the pixels in a controlled way. You'll see your text with a new set of tools designed for reshaping. Select the Push Forward tool. This tool nudges pixels along the path you drag, which is perfect for making smooth, rolling waves. It's designed to move edges without tearing them, helping you keep the text readable while still adding flow. Gently drag up and down on the text to create a wavy effect. Think of it like tracing a soft sine wave. Short, controlled strokes work best. Keep your hand light and move gradually across the word so the rhythm of the wave feels consistent. If you want subtle movement, make shallow, broad arcs. For a more playful bounce, add slightly higher peaks and lower dips. Watch the edges of each letter so they don't stretch too far. Over-pushing can distort strokes and make them look fuzzy. If something looks off, simply undo the last stroke and try a smaller, gentler movement. When you're happy with the flow, click Apply. This commits the Liquify changes and returns you to the main workspace with your wavy text ready to use in your design. You can now place it, color it, or integrate it into the rest of your composition. That's all it takes. Type your text, rasterize it, open Liquify, pick Push Forward, sculpt a gentle wave, and apply. With a light touch and a steady rhythm, you'll create clean, eye-catching wavy text in minutes.